Based on what I have done, I add more information to our page. For example, add a page title, including another picture to make it more balanced, and fill the text section with more detailed information. And one thing when you work on the page is it often comes with some default text information or picture blocks. You can delete them by highlighting the box and click on the delete to delete it. So your page looks cleaner. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one. I don't need this information and I clear it. And this one I'm going to delete. Okay, it looks pretty clean now on my own page. Now let's click on Publish to see how it looks like. When you click on the Publish, your website show up. Click on the web link and that is your page. It looks like the text a little bit small and we can change it. Click the tab to close the website and close the box. Highlight the text and you notice that property box shows up and clicks on the plus sign. And go to the next text box, click the plus sign. Let's publish it. Again, click on this link. This looks better. Okay, close the tab. Close it. To work on the resume, first go to Page on the menus and click back and select Resume. Click on the page build again. So this is our resume page. You see here it is highlighted. We're going to add several pictures here and then add some other information down over here. So click on the image and drag over here. Go to my computer to select hiking. Click on the picture, resize to make it smaller. Click on image and drag it, place it next to it. Select image and resize. Okay. We'll move down and add more element here. We're going to add image here and select image and then select the text box, drag next to it. And I'm going to type add a brief description. Select text box, drag it below. Type education. Select text box, drag it below the education, and type experience. We have add elements. Now we need to add a title here, resume. Highlight the text, select a color in a light color. That looks good, resume. Okay, here is the resume. There are pictures, a personal photo, objectives, education, and experience. Next, let's work on teaching philosophy. This page includes two sections, famous quote in education and teaching philosophy. Let's start working on teaching philosophy page. Go back to page and select teaching philosophy. We're going to put a famous quote in education here. And then we're going to drag a text box here for the teaching philosophy content. Click on build. We're going to drag a text box here. Teaching philosophy. Here we have filled the information in each section. This is the quote from Ralph Waldo Emerson. The secret in education lies in respecting the students. Next is the teaching philosophy. It describes what teaching is about and what are the strategies should be used to help students to learn better. Take a look at the subpage of technology skills. It includes the name of the technology, description of the technology, and sample of the technology. Let's work on the technology skill page. Click on page and select technology skills. Click on the build so you have all the options for building your web page. Click here to add a title, technology skills. Highlight the text and select white. Scroll down, click on the text and drag it here. Add a description in this section about your skills in technology and the ability to develop technologies including animation, visual representation, so on and so forth. Here's the technology skills page, which has a title and brief description of your technology skills. Next, click Pages. Go back to Pages. Create a new page, Standard. This visual representation page will be the subpage of technology skills. Move it up under the technology skills, drag in. This will show as a subpage in technology skills. Click the page and type visual representation. Highlight the text. Make sure you select white color. Scroll down, click on build, and drag a text box here. Include a brief description of the technology you produced. Drag the image icon below the text. Click to include your work.